So your next question is question number 121 until 125. So question number 121 asks that oxysome or F0, F1 particles occurs on. Okay. Now oxysome, if you remember, they are important for synthesis of ATP, right? They synthesize ATP. Okay. They are located in two locations. Okay. They are located in mitochondria. They are also located in the chloroplast. Okay. So they are bound, membrane bound. There are two parts. This is F0 part. And then there is the F1 part. Okay. The F0 part, they are membrane bound and they are bound with the inner mitochondrial membrane. Okay. Then we also have the same kind of structure in the chloroplast also. But chloroplast oxysomes are represented as CF0, CF1, CF0 and CF1. Okay. Here it is not given CF0, F1. It's given generally F0 and F1. So this will be the mitochondrial oxysome, and mitochondrial oxysome are located inside the mitochondria within the inner membrane. So it will be option C. Your next question is two statement. Okay. The nuclear envelope remain intact throughout the prophase. Yeah, they are intact throughout the prophase, which is false. They dissolve. Okay. Then only the chromosomes can come out, arrange themselves in the metaphase plate. So if they are not dissolved, they're not going to come. So the statement is wrong. At the end of prophase, okay, when viewed under microscope, a cell shows distinct Golgi endoparticulum nucleolus. In the light of the above statement, choose the incorrect. This statement is also incorrect. You don't see any uh, Golgi or ER, okay, and nucleolus, right? So this is also false. So the both statements are incorrect, okay, which will be option A. Both statement 1 and 2 are incorrect. Let's go to the next question. The next question talks about the cell division. Okay. Okay, so what it talks that or says that or asks you that, okay, that the number of chromatid in a chromosome at anaphase of mitosis and meiosis. Okay, so let's talk about that. So mitosis, I break meiosis into meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Okay, and I hope you know about the chromatid. Okay, a chromosome. So see, this is a chromosome. Okay, when the process begins after the S phase, right? After the S phase, you see there are two sister chromatids attached with the centromere. Okay, and we call these two together as a chromosome. So here we see this is a one chromosome. Let me explain to you more clearly. We have a chromosome, then we have the S phase, and because of replication or DNA synthesis, you see there are a copy of the same chromatid or chromosome comes. Okay, so there are two sister chromatids. These are sister chromatids. And as a whole, they are a chromosome because we count chromosome by the number of centromere. Okay, so they are one chromosome. So two sister chromatids, okay, two sister chromatids and one chromosome. Question asks you that the number of chromatids in a chromosome at anaphase. Okay, so anaphase, when you talk about mitosis, generally they get separated, right? The sister chromatid get separated because they are pulled in the opposite direction, so they get separated. So here we can see there's a one chromatid per chromosome. Okay. Now, if you talk on meiosis 2, in meiosis 2, there is a homologous chromosome, right? There are two numbers of chromosomes. And during anaphase, okay, these homologous chromosomes, okay, they get separated. they get separated. So here you can see there are 2 chromatid per chromosome. Then you have meiosis 2. Meiosis 2 is basically mitosis only, kind of mitosis only, but the number of chromosomes are changed. Okay. So here, what will happen? There will be separation of the chromatids. So here you can see there is 1 chromatid per chromosome. Okay, so let's see the option. Okay, we need to check what we need to check. Okay, the option A says that 2 in mitosis and 1 in meiosis. Okay, it's wrong, it's false. Because we see there was 1 in mitosis. Okay, there was 1 in mitosis. And meiosis 1, there was 2. Okay, it's false. Then 1 is mitosis and 2 in meiosis 1, it is true. Okay, then 2 in each mitosis and meiosis 2, it's false. Both have 1. 2 in mitosis and 4 in meiosis 2. This is also false. Okay. So the right option will be B. Option B. Then question number 124. Okay. Select the mismatch. You need to find the mismatch. Okay. Pinus, dioecious. Pinus is not dioecious. Pinus is monoecious. This means you can see the both the gender in the same plant. Okay. Then Cycas is dioecious. It's true. Okay. There is separate male plant and separate female plant. Salvinia is a heterosporous. Yes, there is a microspore and there is a megaspore or macrospore. Okay, so that is true. Equisetum is a homosporous. Okay, yeah, it's homosporous because whatever the spore they produce, they are similar in shape. Okay, so the mismatch will be option A. Then let's see the next question. The next question asks you about the incorrect, what they ask. Okay, about the incorrect statement. Okay, let's read the statement. Okay, about the photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is an oxidoreductive process. Yes, because oxidation also happens, reduction also happens. Okay, so it's an oxidative process. It's true. Okay, the stroma of the chloroplast is responsible for the synthesis of ATP and NADPH. The stroma is not responsible. The thylakoid is responsible. The membrane of the thylakoid is responsible. Thylakoid is responsible. So it will be false. Okay. The membrane system of chloroplast is responsible for photochemical reaction, which means light reaction. Okay. It is true. Okay. Thylakoid is responsible for light reaction and stroma is responsible for the dark reaction. Photosynthesis does not take place in the ground tissue of leaves. Okay. Mesophyll cells are considered as a ground tissue, ground cells. Okay. So it's also false. Okay. They are involved. Okay. So we need to find the incorrect statement. The incorrect statement will be statement number 2 and statement number 4. Okay, which you can see in the option C. Right. So the answer is option C. Then see you in the next video.